she's on that whole fit, so she said she want.
Hi y'all, so we're just gonna get straight into the video. We are going to start off with some freshly washed hair. Fun fact, I actually meant to start my hair this day, but it wasn't working out, so you're gonna see me change my shirt. These are the colors that I use. I use color 1B, 30, and 27. For the 27, I actually used it when I redid the front of my hair. For the first part, I really didn't use that at all. And this was my setup. So I already did the back of my hair, but I will show you guys later how I did one part of the back because that was a struggle. But definitely to make this process easier, make sure you part all your whole head before starting, just to know where you're going braid and like how the spaces in between each braid is fairly even. But that's what I did, and we're gonna get started. So as you can tell, I already did basically my whole head. I did not braid my hair all the way down, just to let y'all know, but this is the size that I took the pieces and I laid it all out as I showed you guys in the previous clip. So we're going to get started. This was a struggle parting my hair. I don't know how to part my hair perfectly. I believe that don't gotta be perfect. This is my first time braiding my hair, so you know what, y'all can give me a slack or give me a break, whatever it is. I don't know if I'm speaking English at this point, but I had to repart this hair because it was not working. But yeah, that's the size that I did. I wasn't really paying attention to like it being all equal, to be honest. Whatever looked equal in my head and my mind is what I went with. And then we're gonna get started. And I think this is my fourth time saying we're gonna get started. So I would suggest you looking up other tutorials for this because I had to learn myself. But I believe there's this product that I did use. I think I'll show it on the screen. If I don't, I'll put it up just to help sleek your hair down. But you actually start braiding your hair first before you start adding the hair. So you part your hair into 3 and you braid, and then you take a piece of the hair and you just add it on. And to be honest, I brought you all in closer because I don't know how to explain this part. You just have to physically watch it to understand like how it goes. And if you are confused, you can just watch other YouTube videos like I did myself, because this is not really a tutorial but kind of is. So I just wanted to take a minute to talk about the hair that I actually bought for braiding this hair. I would not suggest you guys using Canellicon, or however you say it. Canellicon hair. It tangles easily and is really annoying, and it slows you down. So if possibly you can find other hair to braid, human braiding hair, I would highly suggest that, because let me tell you, this shit tangles quickly. So now the back was low-key the hardest to do because obviously, I don't know, the way you gotta position your hand is a bit different, but you're still gonna start off with 3 braids. And like I said, it's better for you guys to watch than for me to explain this. But to add on to the hair, this is exactly what I did. I learned this from someone on YouTube, and it actually changed and made it easier. But yeah, this is how I did the back. The back wasn't really perfect. I wasn't looking for it to be perfect because I thought the front is more important than the back. But yeah, this is what the back looked like. So I initially wanted curls at the end of my hair, but I thought braiding it would kind of do it, but it really didn't. So I'm going to insert, yeah, I just almost burnt myself. I'm going to insert a clip of what I actually did to get curls I desired for the thumbnail that I have. I used flexi rods in order to fulfill this, and yeah, just wanted to show y'all this clip too. So apart from the bottom part, ignore that because I'm going to insert a clip in of what I actually like the hair to look like. This is what I added to the my hair after it was all done. A foaming mousse, any foaming mousse of your choice, just add it to, you know, refresh the hair and make it look nice and shiny and moisturized. But yeah, this is it, and I think we're about the end of the video. I'm just gonna leave the last clips to roll, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed, make sure you like. Your girl is back bringing more content. Hopefully I stay which I am, y'all. I promise I'm gonna stay. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.